In our northern suburbs, definitely some progress with the snow cleanup. But as Tony Aiello reports, there is still plenty more to do.
Bright sunshine over Nyack, helping with melting, but not providing much of a lift for the winter weary.
I'm snow fatigued. Snow fatigued. I've had enough.
Parking in this Hudson River village always tight, more so now with mounds and mounds of snow. Monday, major roads in Westchester were mostly a mess. Tuesday, they're all down to bare pavement. In White Plains,
feeling like I wish I was in Florida.
Wishful thinking for some shovelers, creative offers from others.
If anybody out there wants to give me a hand, come on down. Free cocoa for the first 3 people.
In Yonkers, crews are still trying to clear every corner of New York's third largest city. The big snow removal challenge in Yonkers, dead-end streets, 450 of them. DPW Commissioner Tom Myers says smaller equipment will be used in areas the big plows can't reach.
Men are getting a little tired, but they're up to the task.
Everyone who ignored the parking ban on snow emergency routes, a blizzard of ticketing is underway. Tony Aiello, CBS News, New York.